Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I've got my morning espresso here. Let's get into what I bought last night and the reasons why, because these projects, I believe, are yet to moon. So stick around. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. I've got my morning espresso, so I'm just going to have a quick sip of that. Oh, that's awesome. I just wanted to say a huge thank you to every single one of you out there who have subscribed to the channel. It's incredible. This community is growing so fast, and I love talking with all of you in the comments. If you're new, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love documenting my journey with investing, as you can see right here. I mainly invest in cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks. I talk about passive income, business ideas, building financial freedom, and most importantly, my end game for this, all of this investing is to build generational wealth. That is my goal, and I'm starting right now, and I have been doing this now for 2 years, which is incredible. It's been an awesome journey, so come along with me, and maybe you can pick something up that you may or may not have known, or vice versa, I can pick something up from you. And there's an awesome little community tab up there as well, which I love posting in on a regular basis. Little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and due diligence, especially with cryptos. It can be extremely volatile and risky. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt, so please use websites, Reddit, Medium, Twitter, obviously YouTube. Jump on Google, look up everything that you're interested in, obviously investing, and do your research, via all these online platforms, and it's free and it's in the palm of your hand. So do your own research and get confident with all this stuff before jumping in, all right? Be very careful. So I did mention that I post in the community tab up there, and I always post some cool stuff like, you wake up one morning and check your crypto portfolio, and you see it's worth $1 million or over. What would you do? And 21% of you said invest for more cash, 17% said buy more crypto, 9% said wear Lambo, and 48% of you actually said pay all debts, which is awesome. That's a really smart move. And 5% other comment below, so that's really cool. And obviously the other day I said, what coins are you buying? Bitcoins 11%, 24% said Ethereum, mid caps said 9%, DeFi tokens 19%, and 37% of you actually said low cap gems, which is interesting. But yeah, really cool community, and I love talking with everyone. So if I put a post up, jump in and let me know your thoughts and stuff like that. So it's really cool. All right, so today's video is going to be about two cryptos that I bought last night, and I'm bullish on these ones because they are yet to moon. They have got a lot of room for growth, and they have got some incredible partnerships right now, which is more than I can say about some other cryptocurrencies out there at this point in time. They both have real world utility, which is incredible. And we'll get into the first one. The first one is actually Vechain. And for a start, I'm just going to show you on CoinSpot. This is where I buy Vechain, by the way, ticker symbol VET. And I use CoinSpot. So if you feel like signing up in Australia, it's not available overseas. We both can get $10 in Bitcoin. So there's a link below in the description if you wish. It is one of the highest ranking cryptocurrencies out there. Yes, it's obviously not up there with Theta or XRP for that matter, but I am heavily invested in those as well. But Vechain is a really cool project with a lot of utility and in some incredible partnerships right now to date. You can see on the day how it's actually gone. It's actually going up in value, which is awesome. It has been hovering around the 14-cent mark around there. It has dropped back down to, as you can see here, 10 cents, just almost 11 cents. And on the week here, you can see that it has remained pretty much, steady in terms of, consolidating. In the month it is down, and obviously in the year it is peaked up like every cryptocurrency. But it's a really cool project, guys. I really think you should check this out. It is one of these projects that hasn't had a lot of push out there in social media and stuff like that, but it has so much potential, so much real world utility. It's unbelievable. So I'm just going to show you on CoinMarketCap today where it's sitting at the moment. So I'm going to go into Vechain. In the last hour, it is up 0.48%, which is awesome. This is in AUD, Australian dollars, by the way, just so everyone around the world knows this. It is up 0.81% in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days, it is up 5.16%. In the last 30 days, it is down 28%. Well, all crypto markets have been down in the last 30 days because of Bitcoin crashing and all that. In the last 90 days, it is down 10%. In the last year, it is up 725%. Now, that is incredible. And all time, it is up 959%. I believe that this project, will go somewhere. It's not going to stay at this price level for very long. So, while there's an opportunity here, I'm taking advantage of that. And I hope to at least have a decent holding of, around 20,000 VET at a minimum. So if you go down to the market cap, it is sitting at $6.7 billion. Circulating supply is 64 billion. Total supply is 86 billion, which is awesome. What is Vechain? It is a blockchain system where it basically works with supply chains. So like businesses, companies, from manufacturing from start to finish. There's also a whole range of implementation with technology, using chips on luxury goods and bags. Like, for example, Louis Vuitton or Balenciaga or something like that, you go and buy a luxury item like that. It has a genuine, like a microchip in it, which tells you that the product is genuine, which is obviously installed at the factory, then obviously carries that throughout the product's life, which is unbelievable. I think that's incredible. That would help a lot of these brands out there as well. There's so many partnerships, and I'll show you that now. It's XYO. Sorry, that's one of the projects that I'm invested in as well. But this is their Vechain Insider, so there's got a lot of information here on the project as well. But their latest partnership was incredible as well. They've just partnered with Walmart in the US. So Walmart announces Vechain-powered food safety platform, which is awesome. Walmart in China has announced the Vechain-powered food traceability platform during an event held together with PwC earlier today. They are a partner as well. PwC, a huge accounting firm. The first products are already live on Vechain blockchain and are available to purchase in stores. So it looks like the wait is finally over. The June partner turns out to be Walmart in China. The Walmart Food Safety Platform. So the Walmart Food Safety Platform has been designed to provide consumers with more information on the quality of the food that they are buying. By scanning a QR code, consumers will be sent to a web page displaying information on the product. Some of the information that can be viewed is how to use or store the product after purchase, where and when the product was produced, and where it originated from. Well, that'd be crazy to see where everything is made, because we don't know these days. You just don't know where products are made, basically. What route it took from the origin to the store with timestamps. How good is that? Logs and of temperature measurements across supply chain. You don't know if the food's actually been stored and frozen and then thawed out. How good would that be to find out all that information? More information on the product supplier, the blockchain transacted ID that shows where all data is securely stored on the Vechain Thor blockchain. You can check out how it works by scanning in the QR code from the tweet below. That is unbelievable. Or if you don't have a QR code scanner, you can get to the Walmart Trace page that displays the product information by clicking here. And there's some information here as well, which is really cool. You can see that there's a QR code there. Walmart expects the traceability system will see traceable fresh meat account for 50% of total sales of the packaged fresh meat. Traceable vegetables will account for 40% of the total sales packaged vegetables. Traceable seafood will account for 12.5% of total sales of seafood by end of 2020. Well, that's obviously now done. Each of these trace products will have data points stored on the Vechain Thor blockchain. What it means for Vechain holders. The recent increase in transactions on the Vechain Thor blockchain is partially thanks to Walmart going live on chain with 23 product lines. Each of transactions will require VTHO, which is generated by VET. Currently, around 37 million VTHO is generated each day, and currently over 20 million VTHO is burned each day. Walmart is expected to scale its platform by another 100 product lines before the end of years, meaning Walmart alone is set out to burn 3 to 4 times daily generated VTHO, and this is just one partner. So this is incredible. So, I mean, everyone knows who Walmart is, and I've got some other partners that They have a complete list of Vechain partnerships. I'm just going to quickly scroll down so you can see this. DNVGL, PwC, they're a huge accounting firm, NRCC, Yada, BitOcean. You've got a lot of partnerships in China, by the way. Direct imported goods. Keep scrolling down. Look at all these partners. BMW Group, that's incredible. LVMH is obviously the designer labels that I was explaining before. So they've got Moët Hennessy, Louis Vuitton. What else have we got here? Sorry, let me just keep rolling down. So they've got Dom Perignon, that's champagne. Dior, Givenchy, Louis Vuitton, Marc Jacobs, Tag Heuer, the watch company. And Sonny Liu is actually the founder of Vechain, so he used to be the CIO at Louis Vuitton China, which is, he's got a lot of knowledge about supply chain management, obviously. So Vechain is currently working with multiple LVMH brands to integrate blockchain technology into their projects. One example of this is Givenchy bags equipped with Vechain chips, so users can verify handbags are genuine or fake. How cool is that? Renault is a partner. I'm not going to pronounce that, forgive me. Fong Wang, I'm not going to pronounce that, sorry. Ital Taiki, sorry if I'm not pronouncing this right. Bright Food, LogSafer, you've got all these companies here, so keep scrolling down. It's just enormous. There's so many companies here. You've even got Republic of Cyprus national level partnership. How good is that? It just keeps growing. And obviously Walmart now is on board, which you can see there. That is incredible. What have we got here? Cointelegraph. I use this for news with relation to cryptos. Shanghai Gas. Keep growing again. H&M. Everyone knows who H&M are. And there you go. That's just a list of partnerships with VET. So that is really cool. I'm just going to show you now the other coin that I bought was actually XYO. And this is one project which is a hidden gem. It is yet to moon. They're doing a lot out there with partners, big partners, which is incredible. They also have the Coin app, which allows you to mine the Coin token on the Coin app, and you can exchange that for XYO once you hit a certain threshold. I believe it's 10,000 coins or coin tokens, and then you can claim that for XYO, which is incredible. Let's have a look here. So it's sitting at 0.006 today in the last hour. In the last 24 hours, it is down 3.81%. I'm just going to have a quick sip of coffee. Let's have a look at the 7-day chart. It is up 6.82%. In the last 30 days, it is down 28%. Well, all cryptos are down. In the last 90 days, it is up 102%. In the last year, it is up 1,136%. And of all time, let's just wait for it, it is up 8.94%. So to see this, obviously, especially in the year, which is incredible. It's really cool. It is a hidden gem. Nobody's talking about it. It's got a lot of partners that they're currently obviously partnered with at the moment. I'll get into those in a second, but it's just an incredible project, and it's got a market cap of 88.75 million, so it's got a lot of room for growth, which is incredible. Circulating supply at the moment is 12.8 billion tokens. Total supply is 13.9. And you can see XYO is a cryptocurrency that operates on the Ethereum platform, which is a good thing. XYO has a current supply of 13.9 billion with 12.8 billion in circulation. The last known price of XYO is 0.005. So it is a great buying opportunity. It is really, really well placed in terms of the market and the utility of the coin. Obviously, they've got a lot to do with tracing, using people's, instead of old tracking systems, they're going to be using people around in the network with the Coin app. They're giving up their data, obviously using that data to obviously implement with the XYO project, which is incredible. So you can track a package at any given moment around. It's very similar to VET. When you think about it, you can track the package wherever it is, around the world at any given moment, which is incredible. This technology is it's going to change the globe, really. So if you go on their website, the XYO.network is their website. So the community surrounding XYO has grown to matured since inception in the close of 2017. A lot of you out there have been holding this for a very long time, which is incredible. I got into this only obviously recently from a friend of mine who recommended it. So I'm adding to my bag and position as each week goes by. So the technology that drives XYO Oracle network has been created and expanded by the XY team. It's time for a new vision to make available technology to developers around the world to increase understanding of massive benefits of scalable, incentivizable location data protocol. So it's got a lot to do with location, very similar to Vechain, which all this blockchain technology is going to change the world dramatically, especially with supply chain management and tracking and tracing. It's just the way of the future. We want to know where our items are. We want to know where they've come from. This is going to be one of those projects as well, which is incredible. So funding the foundation. A cryptocurrency. XY is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Cryptocurrency is part of who we are, and our greatest contributors come from this community. The XYO Foundation will be gratefully accept crypto contributions. Fiat currency, the XY Oracle Network, which is another name for it, is a platform for everyone, not just a crypto enthusiast. For those new to blockchain and who are interested in geospatial applications, will be gratefully accept contributions to any fact national currency. So they're obviously accepting donations there, which is incredible. Let's quickly have a look at the implementation here. Partners. This is what I want to show as well. So these are the partners that are currently working with XYO, and they've got some big names here. Chainlink. Everyone knows who Chainlink is. That's an awesome project as well. You've got Dovu. You've got Stack Tactical. You've got FedEx, Harmony. That's another crypto that I'm invested in as well. You've got all these projects here. Keep scrolling down, and one big one as well. You've got Microsoft partner network, which is really cool to see Microsoft. I mean, that's huge. Remax as well. These are all the partners here with XYO at the point in time, which is awesome, and it's forever growing as well. And so XYO Foundation works on open space source code with education of protocol in mind. Maximum benefit. This education is only possible with industry partnership to drive usage of this protocol. If you'd like to partner, you can fill out this form, which is incredible. So you can check that out. So as I said, I'm investing in XYO because it's an opportunity, and it is very hidden, I guess you want to call it that. It's available on KuCoin. That's how I purchase my XYO. I purchase Ethereum or Bitcoin, and then you can jump onto KuCoin, register on KuCoin. Once you've transferred out from your Bitcoin or Ethereum onto KuCoin, and you can jump into the trading. You've got to swap into from your asset wallet. You've got to trade or swap that out into a trading account there on KuCoin. Then you can jump into the trading platform there. You can buy XYO via that. Take it off the exchange and put it into your trust wallet. That's what I've done. So that's XYO. Let's have a look at the social media today. I like to check out Twitter on a regular basis, obviously with every project that I'm invested in. Obviously XYO's got a Twitter page here. You can see that, and they follow me, so thank you very much. I appreciate that. Obviously they post up updates on a regular basis, which is fantastic. From here you can check out their Medium blog app here. They've got links here, which is incredible. I mentioned this in the earlier start of this video that Medium is a great place to learn about crypto projects in general. Some projects have Medium pages like XYO. Some projects have a lot of articles and updates on the platform here on Medium, which is a great place to get educated on anything in general. So it's just a really cool app. So XYO here, they've got updates here regarding their name change here. So more specifically XY Labs, what changes. So they're explaining about the name change of the project, the coin app they're going through this, sweepstakes, business verifications, other updates, geo mining. They're talking about geo mining, different devices, different features, Coin's first case study and user stories. So they've got all updates on this. XYO, now the best for last for 2021. XYO and the XYO token is the most exciting part of our story to me. We've started off the year focusing on finding ways to unstick XYO world given the gas prices of Ethereum and thus mining cost of the new XYO world ERC 721 tokens. We also started working on connecting XYO world to coin in a way where the holders of XYO world tokens get rewards based on activities on coin, the app. And all this has helped reach us understanding that we needed to move the XYO ERC20 token, XYO world token, and the XYO network into the future. The conclusions we arrived at did derail our timeline a little for coin rewards for XYO World ERC720 token holders, but it helped us determine the path for the entire system, and we can launch XYO 2.0 by the end of 2021, which is awesome, and or early 2022, which is incredible. So they've got updates on XYO Protocol 2.0. So there's a lot happening with this project. They're moving. They've got incredible partners. XYO Network Protocol explained. So on the other hand, the XYO Protocol is an implementation of decentralized systems that are working together to produce data validation and auditing using the XYO Data Protocol. The breakdown allows us to expand on the potential adoption and application of XYO and our technology at large. So there's some really cool information here, guys. So check out Medium and look into XYO. So this is an incredible project. Let's have a look quickly now at Vechain. I haven't looked this up for a while. Vechain Foundation is the official VET page here, Vechain Foundation. So obviously 10 hours ago, business and governments have grappled systematic weakness during the pandemic. Vechain powered services are a perfect solution for many challenges. Here we summarize live blockchain-based use cases from the battle against, obviously, the pandemic. So they update on a regular basis here. As I said, this project is one that is yet to explode. There's so many companies and people and businesses using it right now. It's just waiting to go to the moon. I strongly believe that. I strongly believe that this project will move quite quickly and unexpectedly. Obviously, the volatility of all crypto markets is just a matter of time. So that's the reason why I'm jumping into Vechain as quick as I can, when I can, obviously. But let's have a look at the charts today on TradingView. So I'm going to open this up. These are all the projects that I'm currently invested in at the moment. This is VET USDT, so a chart preview. Let's just get out of here. All right, so I'm going to go in the last... No, let's go back here. Sorry, I'm not sure what happened there. That's all good. So in the last day, it is sitting at 8 cents USD. You can see here at obviously the beginning of April, it did peak here at around, let's just see where it peaked at. There you go, 25 cents USD, which is incredible. It would have been nice to see that in Australian dollars. I believe that would have been about close to 40 odd cents. AUD, Australian dollars, but it has dropped down now and is consolidating at the moment. And it's one project that I strongly am going to invest in, and it's just waiting for the right moment in time. So it's a great opportunity to buy into this, but obviously please do your own research with this stuff. But so you can see here on the charts, it did peak up in April, but it is sitting at 8 cents today, which is awesome. Let's have a look at XYO because it's a great project. As I said, I'm going to go to KuCoin. This is where I buy XYO on at the moment. This is the price here in Ethereum. Has been quite a lot of movement on this and consolidation, as you can see here on the charts. And this is sitting in June, July, so it has remained pretty much flat. So it is on the uptrend there. You've got the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average there, moving nicely, slowly upwards. So it's a really cool project. Price predictions for these, for both VET and XYO. I've seen price predictions for VET, obviously, around the 50 cents mark, around that price point by the end of the year at least, if not probably 2022. I've seen them around. And obviously XYO, well, look, obviously with XYO, it just depends on the market as well, but I see this being at least 1 cent, if not to 5 cents very soon. So I'm jumping on this as quick as I can to make sure I capture that movement. So they're my price predictions based on the technology, the partnerships, the utility. These are great projects with real world utility and that are currently in use as we speak. So this is why I love these two projects. And obviously I'm a big fan of my other projects as well. XRP, big one on this. It's pending a decision from the SEC, obviously, but we'll see how that goes. Obviously, that the case is still yet to be determined there, and a decision or a settlement can take place. And I'm interested to see what happens now, and if the SEC can dismiss the request to have a former SEC employee testify in the case. But we'll see what happens there. But so I'm keeping an eye on that, news updates, and also watching Jeremy Hogan, the attorney, which is incredible as well. All right, so they're the two projects that I'm invested in, guys. Make sure you leave the comments below what you think about XRP and VET and XYO. They're the two projects that I'm bullish on at the moment. Let me know in the comments below. All right, stay safe. Happy investing out there. We'll speak soon. Bye.